barely spoke Chinese. We just went back to China and found her grandmother. I know your grandfather. Back in China, yeah. So he went back to found a wife in China, and that was our grandmother. So he didn't speak. She said I could barely communicate with him. Never knew that. No, that was one level up from 3 wives. Of the one fork there with our fork, that son didn't really speak.
Oh yeah, you're right.
They talk about it.
大家可以靜一靜啊！今日呢個追思會啊 ，Memorial 就而家開始啊！咁啊，好多謝大家今日過嚟參加我哋嘅追思會。林明添技叔你有生之年，你對人為己，你哋稱號係益善，咁你克勤克儉，你又為家庭謀幸福，咁今日你以世長存，所謂群醫束手，力無挽救，呢啲都係天也地也。如今你麾下有愛妻，有孝子、孝女、孫，望你在天之靈，你保佑佢哋事業有成，生意興隆，嚟報答你嘅大恩大德。同時，再遠再近一眾嘅親友今日都過嚟，你亦都賜福俾佢哋，保佑佢哋嘅身體健康，萬事如意。身體健隨心所願安息。林明添二叔係1939年林明添係喺廣東新會牛灣綠寶坑尾里出生。咁父親咧就叫闊陽，佢嘅老豆咧就係阿 George Lim， 咁係我嚟到美國之後咧，然後咧佢哋嘅家族都喺度，佢哋講俾我聽。咁George Lim 咧就係大哥，咁對下咧就有阿來，對有阿潮，咁我叫佢做阿叔公嚟噶啦，咁樣，咁咧就。咁闊陽咧就係阿二叔嘅老豆。咁姚二咧就母親咧就雷鳳。咁家庭咧就係好現實咁樣。咁適逢咧就係日本侵華嗰時候，咁咧就佢嘅老豆咧就翻去中國，就同我阿嫲咧就結咗婚，日本仔打中國嘅時候咧，佢就冇辦法出嚟啦。嗰陣時咧，就唯有留喺中國就做事， 曾經喺香港華人書院係做老師，就係阿林明謙嘅老豆。咁啊，後嚟咧就喺美國駐廣州領事館外館入邊做工嘅，就咁樣。咁啊，林明謙咧，姚以咧，佢出生2歲，咁咧就後咪日本遷華，就冇辦法。佢嗰陣時應該咧都係受到日本最逼佢要做翻譯。同時一個咧，即係佢做人好難。咁啊，共產黨可能嗰陣時你又唔能夠幫佢日本，有日本你又唔能夠由佢又叫佢做翻譯，所以佢就憂鬱成疾，就林明謙咧2歲，咁咧佢就過咗身啦。咁啊，會有咧嗰陣時就開始咧係一個好艱難嘅時期。咁啊家道中落，咁啊佢咧會有咧就冇乜讀過書，咁啊10幾歲咧就出咗去廣州打工，都投靠咗去咗阿姑嗰度咁樣。咁啊隨後咧佢咧就由於佢克勤克儉，佢去咗香港，咁啊喺香港咧就打咗一輪工，咁就學識咗一個嗰個手藝。佢最叻嘅裁縫、車衣，咁啊適逢咧嗰陣時咧個越戰咧就係打緊嘅時候，咁咧佢就自己開咗個衣廠，就同時咧佢嗰陣時開始咧就同咗阿二嬸咧就結咗婚，咁啊2個人咧就夾本就嗰個家庭咧就開始到興旺。30歲仔嘅時候咧喺香港已經買咗有自己嘅物業有屋噶啦，30歲係好偉大嘅。喺所有我哋嘅鄉下嘅族人嚟講咧，個個都話佢係 number one。未有人30歲仔咧就已經有喺香港有物業。香港啊，村好千金，佢能夠有間屋係好了不起嘅事。咁啊，佢嘅大仔咧，佢個仔係叫做林達輝，有個女兒咧就林雁豪。咁樣，咁啊35歲嗰時就移民嚟咗美國，咁啊嚟咗美國之後咧，就再喺美國咧就遠到澳美國加州呢度打拼，就嚟咗呢度個薩卡門度呢度，佢個落腳就喺呢度咁樣。佢嘅一生嘅打拼養育兒女，而家兒女咧已經長大。已經係成才啦，不對所負佢嘅所望。咁咧，由於都係佢嗰個5月7號係嘛，咁啊不幸過世。咁啊就隨後咧17號佢哋就做咗個火化啦，咁樣。咁啊能夠今日同大家能夠一起過嚟到佢嘅追思會。咁啊，就今日係2月18號。咁啊，阿二叔同廣州同新會去到廣州，同廣州去到香港，同香港再嚟到美國。咁啊，就紮根喺呢個異鄉啦，就生根就喺呢度啦，咁樣。咁啊，二叔咧。佢嘅堅毅，佢嘅慈愛，咁啊，佢嘅為人係非常樸實，助人為樂嘅人係非常好，咁就希望咧，佢在呢度安息，又堅持亦都係留下嘅親友我哋愛友嘅心間。今日咁啊，我今日嘅講話就完啦，就係咁樣。多謝大家。
Hello, thank you all for coming. I want to say a few words about my father. If he were here today, I think he'd be very happy to see all of you here gathered because he's a very social person. He loved his friends, he loved his family, and he would have been extremely happy to see us all gathered here for this celebration of his life. And especially to you all who he met with, I think for many, many years, twice a week, this group right here. We called you all the Burger King gang in our family, my daughters and I. And I don't know if you all know, but the last 6 years or so, my mom had a stroke about 6 years ago, so he was her sole caretaker for the last 6 years. He was not able to really get out very often, but those 2 days a week when he was able to come to Burger King or the one house you guys all met at on Saturdays, thank you. I think that was, probably the highlight of his week. Right? So I thank you all for your friendship with my father, and it really means a lot to me, to my sister, to our whole family. My dad was a very humble, modest guy, right? Very generous, very selfless. And a few weeks ago, I had a cousin who came and visited because he passed. And she told me a story that I never knew, right? That I think highlights that point. We converted, if you all ever been to our house, we converted our garage to like a room, must have been over 40 years ago. And I never thought much about it, but when my cousin came a few weeks ago, she said, like when she first came to the U.S. as a college student, she was having some trouble with where she was staying. And she said, your dad built that garage for me to stay in. I said, I never knew that. I never thought about that. He never told us. He never, he's again very modest, very humble. But that I think speaks to the kind of person he was. So, anyways, thank you all for coming, and enjoy your lunch. Right. Thank you.
嚇，可以講下佢啊。
各位親友 friend and family， 好多林生嘅生平咧，Charlie 都講晒啦，咁樣咧就 ，and then 林生嘅為人咧，我哋嗰班你話嗰個係Burger King嘅，我哋叫做咖啡友，我哋都識咗幾十年㗎啦，我哋就都。 林生我哋個個都好尊敬嘅林生林生嘅人，佢又謙虛，又 love and care 到我啲朋友，對個家庭咧，對家庭佢又好關心，佢自己嘅家庭佢又好愛錫嘅，咁樣咧，我哋今日喺嗰度嚟同佢做個追思會咧，其實林生都好似佢喺度咁嘅啦，因為佢林生好中意喺嗰度嘅。 佢哋同佢嚟親嗰度，佢都好中意嘅，好開心嘅。佢又好，食到好開心嘅話，佢次次咧佢都我哋一叫佢就實中意。我成日都好中意帶佢出嚟嘅，不過佢要 take care 林太咯。take care 林太佢又好 stressful 咯。咁啊變咗我哋佢走咗咁多日，我哋個個都唔舒服㗎啦。佢而家唔喺度，我哋都坐埋一齊，我哋都啲氣氛都唔同㗎啦。 好似 something missing 咁樣，咁我哋個個都掛住佢嘅。咁林生就係佢個人真係唔話得嘅，佢對我啲朋友好忠誠嘅，對個家庭又係好愛、好深切咁。我哋家庭，你又我哋同佢打麻雀啊，4點鐘咧佢就停唔打麻雀嘅，就 call 佢媽媽嘅，好孝順嘅。 喺香港打電話翻去，佢媽媽傾幾句，
嗯
咁然之後先
Yeah.
即係佢知道，因為我7點鐘佢媽媽去飲茶啊嘛，
嗯
咁佢誒停咗一陣打麻雀，咁就可能同佢媽媽講幾句，咁我哋都成日同佢好開心嘅，真係好孝心，好感動我哋嘅，我哋真係要佢學習嘅。個個朋友都好尊敬佢，人都愛佢，因為佢而家走咗啦，人生係咁樣，咁我哋個個都 life go on，但係都唔似從前咁樣噶啦，變咗我哋坐埋一齊都冇嗰種氣氛㗎，個個都係咩啦？總之我哋大家希望我哋嗰班啲 friendship 繼續啦。
繼續開心。
繼續開心。
嗯，係啦係啦，身體健
我
康。
未見過你，今日
係啦
第一次見你我都知你啊。
係啦。
咁 OK 啦。
啊，影個相嚇。
嗯
OK。
哼。
OK，你哋嗰班咖啡友咧，我都阿二叔嘅都長期同我有通電話，都提起你哋。我哋今日又去飲咖啡啦，同嗰班咖啡友一齊啦，咁樣。佢飲完咖啡咧，佢就翻嚟，我同佢夜晚通電話啦。佢哋又講起你哋一班啦。有時咧，我喺你哋嗰個Facebook 入邊咧，有時嗰啲相咧 send 咗出嚟都認得到喺度。最認得多咧就係阿標叔嚇，最認得多佢啊，喺個 Facebook 入邊咧長期 show 出嚟，有時都你哋影個相都喺度嘅咁樣好開心佢又分享俾我知道咁啊，又好多謝大家，今日個個都過嚟嚇。
林生嗰一生都好幸福㗎啦，有個孝順嘅新抱，真係唔話得㗎。個女又喺度嘅，佢哋嗰個又唔喺身邊咧，佢都成日掛住佢，又掛住屋企。我哋林生就真係好少咁為得朋友，為朋友揾啲鄉里啊、親戚啊咁樣，好關心。咁好啦，大家仲我哋一味啊，林生喺我哋嘅心呢方
好啦
，OK 啦
，OK，
你哋大家
咁啊，
保重啦。
我開琴日嘅視頻俾佢睇下啦，好嘛？呀，OK，開得唔知開唔開得到先？哎呀，sorry，即係開心下啦。好啦，咁啊，而家咧就開，係啦，OK。